Hey guys, we're back with another video here, and today's gonna be a good one. It's gonna be a cute one and a good one.
Yes.
I got a little surprise for you.
You've seen the other, oh yeah.
He's sleeping. And look at this one! Look at this one! So cute!
This one is the hyper one, but it's cute.
Aww. Look at you. Aww. Like the camera. So cute. So how you doing, Mr. Doggo or Kit? Good? Aww, so cute. And let's see this one. This one's been getting a lot of love.
He's a gaming dog. He's the most goodest.
This one's the biggest. This one's little. Look, comparison. That
I saw some
to
more right
this. It's a pretty big difference.
They're actually brothers.
So yeah, that's gonna be all the video. We're not gonna let it all off its leash till they get trained. So see you tomorrow.